everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we're not in my kitchen, we're in Auntie Stella's kitchen. Yes, the famous Auntie Stella. She's coming to show us how she does her Ghanaian BOFROT. The Nigerians call it PUFFPUFF. I don't know how it's called in English, so it's called BOFROT. Oh yeah, she says donuts. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, of course, pause the video, go and subscribe, put on the notification button, leave us a comment below. Let us know how you call it in your language, okay? If you don't call it BOFROT or PUFFPUFF, let us know how you call it in your language. Okay, so I'm going to show you the ingredients we're going to use today. We're going to use flour, that's self-raising flour, vegetable oil to fry it because it's going to be deep frying, pineapple flavoring essence, fast action dried yeast, some granulated sugar, vanilla essence, yellow food coloring, ground nutmeg, and some salt to season. Yeah, I am so excited. Auntie Stella says salt to taste. Yeah guys, I hope you like it, and if you try your hands on this recipe, let me know. Send me an email or a comment in this video and let me know, okay? Let's get to it. So to start off, we're going to warm some water, and that's what we're going to use for the whole thing. We're using 1 sachet of the yeast. So we are using 1.5 kilograms of self-raising flour, 2 cups of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt with 1 sachet of yeast, and that is about 1 tablespoon of the yeast. The water is warm now. You mix all the ingredients together.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
We're gonna put in some yellow food coloring. So that's about 1 teaspoon. Yes.
Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
And have ground nutmeg. Okay. So 1 tablespoonful. Teaspoon, sorry.
But I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
So that's the consistency we're looking for, and it has to, yeah, this is just the right consistency. I have nothing more to say. Okay, so we're adding all the flavorings to it now. We've added the food coloring, you saw that. We're going to add pineapple essence, so just about 2 teaspoons. Now mind you, people don't normally do this. This is just Auntie Stella's twist, okay? So you got it here first if you did not know this about how to make BOFROT. This is the famous Auntie Stella's twist. Then she adds carnation evaporated milk just to give it that extra edge, okay? She doesn't measure it. She is a natural. So that's about half a cup of carnation milk. So any evaporated milk can do. The traditional way, people don't normally add all of this to their mix, but Auntie Stella has her own special way of doing things, and that's why she's the best. Does it look like the yeast is rising already? Like it working already?
Yeah.
So yeah, so she's added a little bit of water to loosen it up because we need it not too thick, not too watery either. So that's how it has to look like. It's all said and done. The consistency has to be in that way so that you're able to drop it easily in the oil. So that's it done, and like she said, we're going to leave it for about an hour for it to rise. I wish you could smell it, guys. Even though it's not cooked, it's still
Mommy can smell it as well.
yeah, Belle is here with me. I hope you can hear her. She's my cooking buddy. We're learning how to cook. So that's it covered for now. We're gonna leave it for half an hour and we will come back to it. So this is how it's looking after half an hour. It's risen nicely. So we are ready to fry it now, and we're going to do the deep frying. Let me show you the oil. So for the quantity we are going to fry, we need this much oil because we need it to be deep fried, not shallow frying. So this is, we are preheating the oil and it's on high. So to fry it, we need this and this strainer. We're getting all of that ready while the oil is heating up. Let's have a look. Yes, it is heating up. I think it's almost there now. So it's ready now. The oil is ready. We're just gonna put it in the first batch. Now see how she does it. There you go. So she's using this to test the taste. We're going to leave this to cook and we'll try it, and if it's okay, if it doesn't need any seasoning, we'll continue to fry it all. If not, then we'll correct the taste.
Hello guys.
Welcome. Today Belle is making some BOFROT with Auntie Stella, isn't it? Are you gonna eat all of it? Yeah. What have you done to your hair? Did you scarf it?
No.
Oh, it's gone off. Oh goody. So because it's brown now, I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to take one out and we're going to try to see if it's the taste we're looking for. See that? How beautiful does that look, guys?
I don't know.
It looks so pretty. The taster one. We've had to lower the heat as well. I told you we've lowered the heat and we're going to taste it now to see if it's the taste we want. If not, then we correct it. So there it is. Yeah, and Stella is going to open this. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm going to taste it. And Stella, how does it taste? So this is the other one. It tastes amazing. I'm not even joking, guys. It tastes amazing. If you follow the recipe to the T, you will know that I'm on cloud 9 right now. It tastes lovely. It is lovely. My first tutorial for BOFROT, and it went lovely. Try. Is it nice? So exciting. Into when if you happen a bit brown tomorrow. Guys, you can have this with porridge, with peanuts. And what else can you have it with? You can have it on its own as dessert. This is like donuts though.
Yeah.
like fried donuts. It tastes amazing. I cannot go on enough about how lovely this tastes. I wasn't expecting that. Bella's enjoying it too. You want to have a look? You see? How is it? Is it nice? Love it? Yeah? Did Auntie Stella do good? She did really well, isn't it? Yeah. She loves it.
Well done for Auntie Stella.
Well done for Auntie Stella. Yeah, Auntie Stella is teaching us, isn't it? So Auntie Stella did really well.
Yeah, I love you, Auntie Stella.
Aww.
I love Abena too.
Turn it to a low heat because we want it to cook gently. We don't want the heat it to start burning. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please try this recipe and let me know, okay? If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, leave me a comment below, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.